Hi guys! In this video, we're going to draw Dolores from Encanto. I also made the tutorials on Mirabel and Isabella, so please check out those videos as well. Now without too much talking, let's get started. First, let's draw a circle at the top for the head and draw a half circle on both sides for the ears like this. And right underneath the head, let's draw a tiny neck like this. And then draw a U shape for the neckline. Now let's extend the shoulders with a curvy line on both sides like this. Her collar is fold over and it has a round edge, so let's draw another wide U shape like this. And it has a trim scallops on the edge, so let's draw the tiny scallops all the way to the right. Now let's draw a short puffy sleeve on the right side, so draw two curvy lines like this, and then connect them with a straight line like this. And draw a straight line that flares out on both sides, and connect them with a small wavy line like this. And do the same thing on the left side. Now let's draw the chest. So starting from here, draw a vertical line that's slightly going inward like this. Draw one more on the left side. Then draw the horizontal line and come down a little. And draw a horizontal line again for the waistband of the skirt. Now let's draw the bottom part of the skirt. It's going to come down all the way at the bottom, and the skirt is puffy, so it's going to be about this wide. Now let's draw a soft curve from the waistband to the dot and do the same thing on the right side. At the bottom, we will draw 5 big scallops to mimic the ruffles. I'm going to start from the middle, draw a wide scallop like this, and draw 2 more scallops on the right side. And another 2 more scallops on the left side. Now let's draw the feet at the bottom. In the middle, draw 2 U shapes like this. And draw a horizontal line in the middle for the shoes. Now let's add the scallop trim at the edge of the skirt, so draw tiny scallops like this all the way to the right. And let's erase the overlapping areas with the eraser. Now let's go up and draw the right arm. Draw a tiny diagonal line here and a longer diagonal line next to it. And her arm is bent and her wrist comes about here next to the waistband. So draw a straight line from the wrist to the elbow and draw another same straight line right above it. Now let's draw the hand. Go inside the waistband a little, come down, go around, and go back to the wrist. Erase the overlapping area with the eraser and draw 3 diagonal lines inside a hand like this for the fingers. Let's draw the left arm. Draw a straight line a little to the left and draw another short straight line right above it. The left arm is bent upward and her wrist is next to the ear, so draw a straight line from the wrist to the elbow like this. And draw the same straight line right next to it like this. Now let's draw the thumb, so go to the right a little and come back like this. For the rest of the hand, draw a vertical line to the ear like this. Then go around and come back down to the wrist. And draw 3 vertical lines inside for the fingers like this. Now let's move to the head. Draw 2 circles in the middle for the eyes. Oops, I draw the eye a little too close to the edge, so I'm redrawing it now. Now let's draw the eyebrows. The right eyebrow should come down a little in the beginning and then slightly go up on the right and come down dramatically at the end. For the left eyebrow, just draw a soft curve like this. Now in between the eyes, draw a reverse L shape like this for the nose. And right below it, let's draw a closed smiling mouth that's a little tilted to the right like this. Now let's draw the eyeball. So draw a small circle on the top right corner like this on both sides. And then draw a tiny circle at the top left corner like this on both sides for the highlights. And fill in the eyes except for those highlights. You can thicken up the top eyeliner to make it prettier and draw 3 eyelashes on both sides like this. You can also thicken up the eyebrows like this to make her prettier. Now let's draw the hairline. So starting from the middle between the skull and eyebrows, draw a scallop and go all the way to the ear like this. And do the same thing on the left side. Let's draw an oversized bow headband. Draw a small circle in the middle and draw a small line inside a circle. And then draw a big bow on the right side like this. For the left side of the bow, draw more like a triangle like this. And draw a small line next to the circle like this for the wrinkles. Now let's draw the vertical line between the bow and the ear like this for the hair. And we are going to draw the curly hair on top, so draw lots of tiny scallops all the way to the top and then come around and go back to the headband. And you can draw a tiny short spirals here and there to make the hair look natural. And you can also draw some scallops inside for the hair texture. I'm going to make the chin a little pointier so that she doesn't look too young. And erase our practice lines. Let's draw a small curve inside the ear like this. And draw the heart earrings. Draw a heart under the ear. And 2 vertical lines to connect it to the ear. And let's draw some vertical lines right above the skirt for the wrinkles. Now let's draw some long vertical lines on the skirt. So from the top, draw a vertical line to the sunken area of the scallop like this. And do 3 more. Now let's draw the horizontal stripes on the skirt. So at the bottom part of the skirt, instead of drawing a straight line, draw a soft curve on each section like this. This way we are following the curve of the scallop at the bottom, so they look more cohesive and natural. Then draw the exact same line a little above the line we just drew for the thickness. Now let's go a little more up and draw the same stripe here again. And one more stripe here at the top. This time, this is so close to the waistband, which is pretty straight, so we can just draw one continuous straight line here. Now let's draw the embroidery patterns on the skirt. So on the third level from the bottom, draw a half circle in the middle and draw 3 petals around it like this. And at the bottom, draw 2 curvy lines like this. And draw 4 more of it next to it. As you go to the side, there's not enough space to draw the whole thing, so it should be cut off slightly, and that's fine. Now let's move down and draw the flowers. Draw a circle in the middle and draw 4 petals like this. And draw a wavy line at the top and bottom like this. For this time, the flower has 8 petals, so draw 4 petals first, like a cross, and then draw a petal in between the petals like this. This one will be the same as the one at the center, but a little cut off on the side. And repeat the same steps on the left side. Now let's move to the blouse and draw the patterns on the collar. So draw a tiny circle at the center first and draw 2 curvy lines at the bottom like this. Draw the same thing on the side to fill in the rest of the space. Now as a final step, let's draw the choker on her neck. So draw 2 horizontal lines like this and draw 2 vertical lines in the middle and draw a circle at the bottom for a pendant. Wow, your Dolores drawing came out so cute and pretty. If you want to see how I colored her, please check out my shorts video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other drawing tutorials. Thank you again. Bye!